Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we will talk about our group project presentation in Ict200, and the topic is gas pump fuel system. For the next slide is group members. This project consists of 5 members. The first one is Abu Zar. Second one is me, Muhammad Iman. Third one is Muhammad Aziz. Fourth one, Muhammad Amin Adli. And the fifth one and the last one, Muhammad Bazli Shah. Next slide is company background. Sarina Nikios Enterprise established in 1999 and the base is Pulau Pinang, Malaysia. Dedicated to provide high quality fuel and exceptional service to its customer. It's established with a vision to revolutionize fuel retailing with focus on making it easy for customers to use their services. Sarina Nikios Enterprise built a gas pump station which is nearly located in Greenland, Georgetown, Pulau Pinang. This gas pump station is one of the franchise brands of Petronas, which is one of the biggest oil and gas mass production in Malaysia. This strategic place of gas pump station will attract many vehicle car user, and they are selling various type of fuel such as RON 95, 97, RON 100 and Euro diesel. We move to its vision, mission and objective. For the vision, to be leading gas station that leverages innovative technology to optimize management processes, ensuring operational excellence, accuracy, and sustainable growth in the fuel retail industry. For the mission, to utilize advanced systems that automate sales tracking and pump management for accurate and efficient operations. And for objective, to streamline operational efficiency and enhance management process by utilizing an advanced system that accurately tracks sales, monitor pump performance, provide real-time data insight, ensuring effective decision making and improve business operation. I will pass to Haziq for the next explanation.
Okay, next, current system description. Currently, the system is carried out manually. Customer pull into the station and attendants approach them to inquire about fuel type and quantity. Attendants then manually operate fuel pump to dispense the requested amount. The attendant reads the mechanical meter on the pump to determine the volume of fuel dispensed and the total price. Payments are accepted in cash and the amount is verified by the attendant. Each transaction is recorded in a sales logbook, detailing the fuel type, volume sold, and payment received. Attendants keep track of their individual sales and submit them to the cashier. This current system is inefficient and high risk on human error, making it hard to keep track of sales. It is also time consuming because of the manual recording, and reconciliation slow down the workflow.
So for our ERD, we have 4 entities. The entity's name is fuel, pump, sales and staff. So the relationship between entity staff and pump is many to many because staff and pump need to be connected by a bridge, which is entity sale. The relationship for sales and pump is one to many. One pump can make many sales. Each sales can only be made by one pump. Next is entity sales and staff. One staff can make many sales. Each sale can only be made by one staff. Why the relationship is weak? Because the bridge has its own PK and the FK is not the PK of the entities. And lastly is relationship between fuel and pump, which is one to many relationship where a fuel type can be assigned to many pump. Each pump can only be associated with one type of fuel.
So today I will explain about the simple query, how we will manipulate some data language by using our group project. So for what I will explain about the simple query. So we can see I will do the simple query first. So first is select all attribute, and then we go from table sales and the condition where amount is less than equal to 100. And for example, I choose pump number 2, and we will go some extra query to be more neatness by order by transaction date increasing. So when I try to execute this, we will see the output that it will display all the transaction of pump number two, and the amount is less than 100. So this is for simple query. So I will explain about second is the column function. So as we can go first, I select sales dot payment method, and for this column function, I would like to calculate this total amount of the sales by separating it by using payment method. So we go for some sales dot amount as total sales from sales group by sales dot payment method. And we can see the expected output for the total sale for payment method cash is 1,592, and for the debit is 1,095. So that's all from me. I will pass the presentation to Muhammad Bazli.
I'm going to explain two queries, which is join class and subqueries. So for first, we are going to do join class. So we're going to select sales transaction ID. Wait, let me handle this. Transaction ID. And then we're going to take sales amount, sales transaction date, and lastly we're going to take staff name. And then we're going to take this from table sales, and we're going to join it with staff on sales.staff ID, where is equal to staff.staff ID, where staff name equals to Lee Chongzi. Okay, so when I click execute, this table will show an output that where Lee Chongzi does most of the transaction. As we can see, there are only Lee Chongzi on the staff name. And okay, so next we are going to run the subqueries. Okay, so for this we will use the same thing, just without the staff name. From sales, where sales.staff ID in open bracket and then select staff ID from table staff, where staff dot staff email like %gmail.com, close bracket and semicolon. And when we execute, there, as we can see, it will show the all transaction with all staff that have their gmail.com inside their name. That's all from me.